What have you done, Jacob?
Well, that I done.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm not legally allowed driving it. Can't play weekend.
We've had a catastrophe. Oh dear.
Hello there. So yeah, I've just in yard today. I've just had a delivery. Took all delivery of.
Ooh, you're hard showing off.
We've been building these boxes as well this afternoon. That's for that sliding gate shuttering that we're doing. Nearly done actually. Forgot to get a video this morning. It's been up on deck. But we've had a bit of a clear about as well. I'm just going to move them over to there. A lot better there. Wagon can back down better here. It's easy to unload here on good concrete because we keep getting big holes everywhere. But yeah, got a few off at Minute Hill and stuff like that. But plodding on. Not so cracking myself. But I better get radios on over there, blah blah blah. So yeah, I'll leave it at that for now because it's bloody freezing. And I shall catch you later.
Well, Jamie, Mark and Meat Whistle here have saved me bacon because I've been struck down with all sorts of illness this weekend. I've made it out. So they've made these containers here to put us concrete in for a big sliding gate this week. What are we now, Jacob?
We are making some cages because some kids think it's funny to boot things off of school roofs, so we're stopping them. We are preventing that.
Are you allowed to say kids could do with beating up these days on YouTube?
Yeah, why not? Oh,
Well, they could do with beating up. We'll catch up with you when we've done.
Hey you!
Productive day, Jacob?
Very, absolutely. Boom.
Why don't you tell everyone what you did to my jockey wheel first? I was right.
Well, you see about
He's a jockey, alright. Oh, we're all loaded up for morning. Diggers on. New jockey wheels on. We've made 2 or 3 of us cages. We've got the last one's ready to go together, but someone's turtling and it's getting a bit late, so we're going to come in early. See you at 5. Got Jacob cleaning off his last cage. Ready to load them up and then go start his actual day. All good, Jacob?
yeah, it's all man. Even though I feel like I've got a golf ball in my throat, but you know.
I'll treat you to a Costa fortune on work quarters, don't worry.
Buzzing, thank you very much.
What a boss. There we are, that's his cages all done. Sound job.
Very good.
Good morning. The sun's out at last. Bit warmer now. Been freezing earlier, but yeah, I'm just about to set off actually. I've just realised I haven't got a video of lock gates. Carl's just gone to quarters in van in pickup. He's coming back. I've got a few calls now. I'm going to Wilkley, Lead 16 and BD4. So I'm just going to set off now. The lads have gone to start a new job over at off Unslet Road there. It's 150 odd metres, 2 metre IV mesh. So yeah, hopefully they'll get some footage of that. And Carl can get some. He's only back in today, he's been poorly. I'm a bit poorly, you know, it's that time of year, isn't it? Nightmare. So yeah, I'm just over at my second appointment at day. I'm at a school, so kids are out at the minute, so I can't really thingy, but we've done years, we've done some there, we've done some behind me, done some over there. So yeah, we've done quite a bit here over at years, over at BD4. So they've just got a bit round other side to do. They try to split nursery up from first school kids, whatever you call them these days, primary school kids, I suppose. So yeah, not a bad little job really. I shall get that quoted this afternoon when I get back, hopefully. I've just got another one to do now. I'm going to Lead 16, Holy Name Catholic School, primary I think it's called. Although I'm a little bit early, I've got done quicker than I thought. So I shall give them a ring now and see if it's okay to go over.
Good morning, Wednesday morning. We're over in Baston in Leeds starting a new installation. Symingtons. We've done a bit of work down this industrial estate. Basically, coming off that wall where orange crate is, it went a bit blurred then. I think it's about 2 metre in. coming outside of them trees, going down to that wall, and then that's the bigger stretch over the road. There's some steps around there. I'll show you on a later video. So we're just getting set up, coming down there. I think it's about 60-70 metre down there, returning into that palisade. There's a YEB box there, so we've sort of got to go into that, and a few other bits. There's a single gate going down there, so yeah, we're just getting set up. It's a V-mesh installation, 2 metre, fully loaded, so yeah, we'll get to it and we'll be back later.
What have you done, Jacob?
Well, that I do.
Yeah,
Yeah, I've got leaving like a dragging it. Can't wait
we've had a catastrophe. Oh dear.
Hello there. Just over at Doncaster, sorting this sliding, so it's ended a bit of a nightmare, to be honest. We've got a track off with a little digger. Luckily Carl used to work around corner, so he's just gone and borrowed grease gun here. So yeah, not good. These tracks come off. Like I say, luckily Carl worked around corner, so he's just gone and begged and borrowed that. So we're hoping to just get this on. More or less got it dug out now anyway, majority of it. I'll just get big bucket back on, and then we'll get it all shaped up. But yeah, it turned into a nightmare, so it's cancelled concrete till next week. Hopefully I won't be dying again then. The bits come out there, like it there. Yeah. But I've sort of dug it all now, so it's all kind of loose. I came up here to get that, and just as I were leaving, jack came off. So yeah, we're just going to get this jack back on, and hopefully in an hour or so we'll be done here, and we'll show you when we've done. Friday already. I just hope you can hear me. The wind is absolutely crazy. Let's turn it around and see how windy it is. I'm just protected it behind cabin, so I'll stay here. Hopefully sound's not too bad, but yeah, going quite well this morning. Been here a while. I've just caught up with my admin. I was making short door a lot before I went, but we had a bit of a nightmare yesterday with digger. You probably saw track come off. Track come off twice. Oh god, just one of those days. And then we're coming down and thinking, what am I doing here? Anyway, we managed to get it all dug out. We did have concrete scheduled, but we just knew as soon as flipping tracks were off, we weren't going to get it done in time. So I cancelled concrete till next week. Wednesday it's coming, Wednesday morning. So we'll go over there, just make sure everything's okay, obviously with winds and that. It should be, because we filled it all back in, stuff like that. So yeah, we'll just get there early, make sure it's okay, have an hour there, just if it needs pumping out water, anything like that, we'll do that, and then it should only be an hour concrete in it, something to note. And then that should be left then for 3 or 4 weeks to go off till we get delivery of a sliding gate, which Ed is on with. Thank you for that, Ed. So yeah, I'm just going over to Home Firth now. Job over there, school. Want some fencing and a little gate with access control, I believe. And then I'm going to see another job in Huddersfield, I think it is, yeah. So I thought I'd kill them both over there while I'm out that way. The lads are back over in off Hunslet Road there. They've nearly finished, I believe. They'll get majority done today, and then Jamie's off next week, which he'd booked off. Baggy might just have a bit of finishing one day, putting the gate in and stuff, which Carl's gone to quarters for. So yeah, all doing well.
Right, we're just starting out day 3 on this beasting installation we're doing. We finished this stretch over here. There's about 60 odd metre we've put in there, up to that palisade where I was talking about. Gonna come down here, angled in, fix on. Come off here in a right angle. A couple of half panels up here. It's going to be curled round, and then we're coming down them stairs there, and there's going to be an access gate as a fire escape front building. So be a little bit left to do Monday for us, probably gate. So yeah, it's not been a bad job. It's gone in pretty good. Dig's been well, looking well. So yeah, cracking on.